To use Bluetooth, connect the USB Bluetooth dongle BT40 to the USB port at the back of the phone. Tap Menu, Basic, and then select Bluetooth to enable the Bluetooth function. The phone's interface will display the Bluetooth icon. To connect a Bluetooth headset, tap Menu, Basic, select Bluetooth, and then Scan. The screen will list all the Bluetooth devices found. Choose the desired Bluetooth device to connect the Bluetooth headset to your phone and input the PIN code. The default PIN code is either 0000 or 1234. After tapping OK to connect, the Bluetooth headset will connect to the phone and the headset connected icon will be displayed. The Bluetooth icon also appears on the touchscreen. On the touchscreen, to use a Bluetooth headset. After the Bluetooth headset has been connected to the phone, press the headset function key, then dial the desired number and press OK to call. Now you can use the Bluetooth headset to talk. While talking, you can switch between the handset, hands-free, or headset modes. If you quickly press the Bluetooth headset twice, it will automatically call the last number dialed. When the phone receives a call, the Bluetooth headset will play an alert tone. The LED indicator light will also flash, indicating a new incoming call. Press the headset button directly. The headset mode will activate and the indicator light will brighten.